video shoot. It's it's like 11:15 over there. Hold up. Leaving the house 11:15 p.m. You say you want to shoot videos? You want to be a photographer? So it's a fact, kid. It's the life. Yes, sir. In the studio, Soul Asylum. What time is it? This how it be though. Tell them what you just did in Panama.
Shit, Castaway. I want that to be the lead into my album. You know what I'm saying? Black Sheep. You know what I'm saying? Watch the Black Sheep turn to the GOAT. Nigga, play with it.
Yeah. Like that, you heard him.
They got to step time zones getting on.
You heard him. Skip time zones, you heard him. So what time it is? What time you in the studio?
Shit, all night, nigga.
What time? Tell him what time it is right now.
Shit.
Right, 1 in the morning.
12:34, 6 in the morning.
Yeah, he hit to 6.
Sniper ball.
They're working. He hit to 6. Oh.
7. Fuck with 7.
Yeah, for sure.
Fuck with 7, nigga.
Yeah.
Godson. Shine on the under sun.
For sure. Tell me who you
Say
is.
what?
Engineer.
Soul Asylum Studios, Atlanta, Georgia. Shanley, you already know what's happening, man.
For sure.
Panama.
Okay then, I hear you. Go ahead and get a quick scene of this.
You said which one's up next, man?
Oh, let me give you that next one real quick. Let me give you that next one.
Go ahead.
Yeah,
That's why I had to set up for you.
thank you. Sorry about that.
Go ahead. Now check it out. Now see.
It's on now.
All right. Yeah. Now we outside with it. Just stand where you at. Let me see. Yeah, just about right there, so I can get the sign. As soon as he dropped the tray. I wish I could show y'all some behind the scenes of this, but I'm gonna show y'all what the footage look like.
Let's go. What? Military mindset. Sniper ball. Even on the double R. Float double R. Double emphasis. Double small. We can come up together, partner. Play your part. Military mindset. Sniper ball. Even on the double R. Float double R. Double emphasis. Double small. We can come up together, partner. Play your part. Gotta feel it in my gut first. Freestyle.
Shit. It's cold as a motherfucker. Alright, that'll wrap it up. That's just real quick, like in studio. Let me hear a couple of tracks. What it do it? So it's Seski. Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Mm-hmm.
All right, man. It's a pleasure meeting you, bro.
For sure, bro. Sam, what's your name is again?
Trey.
Trey.
Clyde.
For sure. Yeah, I see where you at. You got an IG?
Hell yeah.
What's your IG?
Trey.I.
Trey.I. Spell it for him.
TREY.I.
For sure.
Yes, sir.
I'm gonna follow you, bro. Mine's 7.
bet, one.
7.VISIONZ. So that was some quick in studio. Just a vibe at 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock in the morning. June, you gonna let him walk to your side, wind down the window a little bit, let him talk to you for about 30 seconds talking shit, and you gonna wind the window up on him. You know how to drive? When I come that way, back up. I'm gonna turn right back to you.
Hey, man, let me talk to you, man. Hey, don't break it up, man. We supposed to be forever, man. Man, I made one mistake, man. Come on now. Yeah.
All right, cool. That's the first. That's the first scene. Not that. We're gonna go to the second scene. How you doing?
I want to know what you're talented young black people. We must stay positive. We must be happy. We must enjoy life. Not all of this negative stuff. We need to stay even. Well, in my day, they say stay cool.
Yes, ma'am.
Stay cool.
We got to go to this nature trail. If you're from Atlanta, you're probably familiar with it, Cascade Nature Trail. If you're not, so I'm gonna show you a little bit of it. Y'all come with me. Let's do it. All right, what's happening? So we're at Nature Reserve, Cascade Nature Reserve. Might be all right. A couple locations. You know what I mean? All right, little scenery. It's dope back here too when I show you. It's dope. ISO aperture shutter speed. That control your light. That controls your exposure, your whole picture. Shit good. I'm gonna give y'all a video about exposure. I'm gonna give y'all a video, teach y'all about the exposure triangle. Yeah, that'd be dope, 180-degree rule. What that means is, whatever frames per second you're shooting in, you wanna double that for your shutter speed. So if you're shooting 24 frames per second, you want your shutter speed to be 48, or 1/48. Some cameras can't do that, so it'll be 1/50. You dig? You can't really move one thing on the exposure triangle without having to change something else. They all work together, so yeah. There's three things like peanut butter and jelly. And bread. Peanut butter, jelly, bread. Gotta have all three. All right, cool.
Ducking one time. Nigga might be sleeping, but I got mine. Yeah, you heard that I will fail and they gon' try. Nigga didn't respect me and we gon' slide. Yeah, I be cool though.
Y'all can see. Y'all probably can't see that in the background. We got a little waterfall.
Breaking barriers like NASA. Folk sound. Keep that same nigga. Simple, cause I'm no longer earthbound.
For sure.
Damn, you does a hard ass fucking scene, boy.
You see that? Y'all here with the artist thing. But you don't want your image overexposed. Like right now, I'm underexposed. Let me see. All right, cool. You don't want your image overexposed, because once you get an overexposed image, then it's blown out. Like your skies could be blown out. You don't see no clouds. You don't get to see the detail. If you don't know how to use the histogram, I'll probably put it up. We'll make a video about that too. Exposure, very important. You see right now? What is that? Overexposed. Like right in this area, I'm overexposed. For your lighting is very important. It can make a difference from a great video and a horrible video. You connected?
Just 1 second, man. This shit going slow.
All right, cool. You good?
I'm halfway.
ISO aperture shutter speed. It's a triangle. It all correlates with each other. You cannot change one necessarily without changing the other. Your ISO is like your artificial light, and it's the light that your camera creates. You know, if you underexposed, you can boost it a little bit. You don't want to boost your ISO too much because you'll get a noisy image. Then you have your shutter speed. Your shutter speed is how fast your shutter is moving, and it's allowing the light to come in as it's opening and closing, so it's also very important. And then you have your aperture, your f-stop. A low f-stop number, you letting in a lot of light, so you got it wide open. Give us a blurred effect, all right? Give us a blurred effect back there with your aperture wide open. And then you have your aperture closed, and it can pretty much show you more detail that's in the background. Exposure is very important. I'm gonna give y'all a whole video about that. Back to the video.
For real,
You crazy.
For real, now. I ain't gonna meet you twice. You know what I'm saying? I met your ass one time.
That was really funny for real.
You can't laugh through it now.
That was funny.
Tell them one time, bro. One more time who you is, so we can deal.
I know what it is, man. AlchemyBodyWorks.com. Live.
So, yes,
Order
sir.
something.
Yes, sir. Y'all heard it. Got mail came in today. Yes, sir. Now we got Fellini. I'm Fellini. It's something for my little girl. Yeah, Save the Cat. Now this is a script writing book, screenwriting, script writing. I never read it. We love knowledge, y'all see. Book. Shit. Writers, this gonna be for our writers to write some of the best films, short films, feature film. The difference between a short film and a feature film, a short film can be 1 minute long, and a feature film will be like 60 minutes. You feel me? Damn, trying to be like them. Last thing. Y'all see that? All right, that's the last thing. Small rig clamp. Get like some overhead shots with this. You can attach it like to your C-stand and hang. Let's see. Yeah, I'll give y'all a belt. I'm gonna actually show y'all me using this, but it's for your overhead shots or anything you can do creative. All right, cool. Wrapping up today. I'm tired. Look how I look. It's cold. Shit, I got keep. Y'all ain't. Well, y'all can't. So, but anyway, wrapping up today's shoot. A 2-day shoot. Panama Mint. He kind of know the direction he want his visual to go in. So when I work with him, I don't have to come up with too much of a treatment. I kind of take his ideas and I bounce off of them. You feel me? I improvise. You got to keep your creative mind moving. So I improvise, bounce off his ideas, and we come up with whatever we come up with. So stick with me. You're going to learn about your cameras. You're going to learn about vlogging. We're going to talk real life sometimes if y'all want to. Maybe like I could be a life coach. I could be going through shit, but I could be a life coach for real. Finally, before I go, I always forget to tell y'all, subscribe, like, stick with me. It's gonna get better. I'm tired. I see my kids tonight. I love my kids too. I see y'all.